Hi guys, I'm Jackie and today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade peanut butter. So for this recipe, you're gonna need peanuts. I'm gonna use also coconut oil and brown sugar, but the coconut oil and brown sugar is totally optional, okay? I'm also gonna use the residue that I got from my peanut milk. That's actually up there if you guys wanna check it out. It's a really good recipe. I'm gonna mix peanuts and the residue from the peanut milk. So you're actually gonna use raw peanut, unsalted, non-cooked, okay? The kind that I'm gonna use is the kind that has no skin already, okay? Just regular peanut. But if you can't find this one, you can actually use the one with skin. I just have it right here just to show you guys. So you can actually get the ones with skin too. The only thing is after it goes in the oven, once you take it out, you're gonna have to peel off the skin with a towel. So I'm already gonna use the one that has no skin. So you're gonna get a tray, okay? And we're gonna lay out, in my case, I'm gonna lay out the residue and the peanut. I'm actually using 500 grams of peanut, okay? You cannot only use the residue. If you only use the residue, it will not give the consistency for the peanut butter because the peanut butter needs the oil from the peanut. And once you make the milk, it takes away a lot of the oils already. I'm putting both in the oven right now, okay? And I'm just gonna roast it. That's it. It's really quick. It's gonna take about 15 minutes to roast. So it was in the oven at 260 degrees Fahrenheit, and I left it in about 20 minutes. It's until it's all like crispy. So now I'm gonna put it in the food processor. Also gonna add a full tablespoon of brown sugar, and I'm doing that so it gives a little bit more sweetness, and a full teaspoon of coconut oil. Now I'm doing that so it smooths out better, and I'm also doing that because I'm using the residue. A lot of the oil from the peanut was removed, but it's optional. It's up to you guys. And now we're gonna let it spin on the food processor, and this process really goes well in the food processor, okay? It doesn't really do the same on a regular blender. So I went to my flour stage. Now it's like in this sand stage. Just have to be patient and continue mixing it. So the longer you process, the smoother it's gonna take. So it took me about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and you're gonna see that it's really smooth right now. You're gonna process it the amount that you like your peanut butter. Gonna remove it and place it inside a glass container. So there you go. You're gonna have a really creamy peanut butter homemade, one that you know everything that's inside. Thank you so much. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like, okay? Thank you. So I'm actually how much is that in America?